Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is asteroid hitting Earth. Recently, the Indian Space Research Organization organized a workshop to raise awareness about the threats of asteroid impact hazards and the importance of planetary defense. ISRO chairman emphasized the necessity of international collaboration in developing planetary protection systems against asteroids. ISRO is eager to participate in a planetary defense mission ahead of the asteroid Apophis close approach to Earth in 2029, when it will come within 32,000 km of the planet. Now let's discuss about Asteroid Apophis. Asteroid Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid estimated to be about 335 meters wide. It was discovered in 2004. It is named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos and darkness. Apophis was predicted to come threateningly close to Earth in the years 2029 and 2036, but NASA later ruled these events out. Potentially hazardous asteroids. It means that an asteroid has the potential to make threatening close approaches to the Earth. Apophis is categorized as a PHA. NASA's DART or Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission. NASA's DART mission was the world's first planetary defense technology demonstration, which validated asteroid deflection using a kinetic impactor spacecraft. Launched in 2022, DART intentionally collided with the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos and successfully altered its orbit. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office is related to which of the following? ESA, JAXA, ISRO or NASA? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get